All right, y'all. Well, I'm giving you another update here. It's January the 24th, 8:10 a.m. And of course, all the snow switched over to rain. And man, it is now an ice skating rink because all the rain is turned into ice. It is 34 degrees currently right now here in Nashville. So, I mean, look at that. It looks like it's wet, but that is ice. Look at my car. Look at that. It is frozen over. My goodness. But anyways, and this is supposed to change over to snow later on today. It's supposed to get colder again. There's supposed to be another cold front coming in behind this. So it's supposed to change over to snow before all this ends. But that's where we're at right now, guys. So yeah, I guess I should have bought some skates. Oh, anyways, guys, hey, appreciate y'all watching. Got a lot of views yesterday and comments. I appreciate it. And look at this tree here. Isn't that pretty? Let me zoom in a little bit. Look at that. And behind my house is a bunch of woods and trees, and you can hear the trees cracking and falling. It is crazy. All right, guys. I'll give you another update later on today.